Can we see our Roblox password if we've forgotten it? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to see our Roblox password if you've forgotten it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, let's head over to our Roblox. After we're on our Roblox, there you can see your Roblox account. Make sure that you're logged in first. So after you've logged in, we'll head over to the more option and there you'll see a profile option. Let's head over there. From here you won't find any options, so let's head over to our full profile. And even in our full profile there will be no options such as our app security or anything related to our password. So we'll just head back again. Now we'll simply scroll down under our more section and there you can see logout options, settings and many more. Let's head over to settings. On our settings you will see your account info, so we already checked that. Let's head over to security. On our security you will see the two-factor authentication option, email option, you can see backup codes and where you're logged in, but there is no option for your password. And if you head over to any other options as well, you won't find that. And that's basically the answer, guys, that you cannot see your Roblox password. But what you can do is you can actually reset it by simply tapping on forgotten password option. And yeah, that's the basic idea of it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.